Hey guys, today I want to give you my best tips for making over a back porch using thrifted and upcycled things. My friend Nicole sent me this video of her back patio and asked if I had any good ideas, and I said, girl, I'm coming over. I hope you leave feeling inspired. You guys may remember Nicole when we made over her entryway mudroom using a thrifted piece off Facebook Marketplace. She and I totally think alike when it comes to upcycling things. And the first thing we wanted to do is update some of the older pieces she got from garage sales. Storage containers, a kid's little bench. It's crazy how you can take garage sale finds and update it with things like a power washer. We went straight to work and cleaned them off. Oh my goodness, it was so satisfying. Nicole is melting her light stress away over here. If you don't have a power washer, my other favorite go-to tool are magic erasers.
Definitely getting out of there.
Yeah. Oh man.
It'll look good. Perfect.
Once it was nice and clean, we wanted to give it a fresh, modern look with spray paint. If you ever spray paint plastic, my favorite brand to use is Rust-Oleum because it's a painter and primer and adheres super well. Touch of spray paint on this one is going to make a huge difference. Just make sure that little hands don't get to it before it dries. Oh!
What happened?
I felt a raindrop.
A raindrop? Oh no!
It's pouring! Oh wait, should we move this so it doesn't get... Oh shoot! Next is upcycling items. Most of us already have stuff like this in our houses we could reuse. She had this summer sign. I just flipped it over onto the back and then I just painted it with chalk paint. I drew lines back on it to look like a board and added a bit of distressing. And then I took a Dollar Tree sign I already had, plus it was just $1, and hot glued it right on. This made the perfect fall sign to stick on the patio. It was easy and almost completely free. I also raided my closet to find things I already had to put together a fall display. Dollar Tree sprigs.
Oh, whoop. Get back here, little dude. Okay, winning.
Perfect on the center of the table. She also had some hooks sitting in her closet that she wasn't sure what to do with, and they are perfect to add outside by the door for coats and bags to really complete the space. Think about what you already have before you go shopping. So we've got fall in the front and party in the back.
Okay, so this is one of the pillows that I sell, and then obviously very summery, but we're kind of updating to fall. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take it out, and I actually already have the other pillowcase on there.
To really help complete the space, we wanted to invest money wisely, and that was in lighting. I love bistro lights, and the cheapest place to find them is at Costco. And we just strung these in a V pattern on the ceiling, and it looks amazing. To do this, all you need is a power drill and little C-hooks. They're very inexpensive, and it's the perfect way to hang them inconspicuously. She updated the patio furniture, and she was super smart about it because she waited for a deep sale from Walmart. After summer, you can get items like that up to 50% off along with the area rug. We were so excited with the final result and these super easy changes. Enjoyed this video, definitely leave it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. You don't have to spend an arm and a leg for a space that you truly love. I will catch you guys soon. Bye!
Oh, I should drink.